This is a Lenovo T15 Gen 1 unboxing. This is the power adapter, 65 watt USB-C. Okay, so just a quick look at the laptop. So we'll go over the ports quick. Just a Kensington lock, full-size Ethernet, fan slots, USB 3. That one's the always-on one, so you can charge your phone even if the laptop's turned off but plugged in. Smart card reader option. Nothing on the front. That's the privacy switch for the webcam. Just the mini SD card reader, combo audio, full-size HDMI, USB 3, 2 USB-C ports, and this is for the dock. So it's got kind of the dedicated Ethernet out. That would be if you had a SIM card slot option. In the usual keyboard, touchpad, fingerprint readers over there. It's got the dual mics at the top and the webcam with the little privacy switch there. And that's it. Oh, and on the bottom, nothing there, just a reset hole right there.